Let's begin with the ingredients which we are going to use for Hariyali chicken marination. So this is 1 kg of chicken, 1 bowl of curd, 10 chilies, ginger garlic paste, 4 onions, coriander leaves, mint leaves. This we are going to grind it well for greeny mixture. And further we'll need some spices which we are going to use are cinnamon sticks, black pepper, and this cumin seeds, soft, cardamom, and this flowers. Okay, we have to make a fine powder of this. So let's begin with the marination. I'm taking 2 tablespoons of ginger garlic paste, total I have taken 4 tablespoons. 2 spoons I'm going to use it further. And this is the greeny mixture which we have prepared for Hariyali chicken. This I'm going to add in this. And that fine powder of spices, half I'm going to use now and half I'm going to use it further. One and a half spoon of salt I'm using for marination. So let's marinate. I've made pieces on chicken so that it becomes juicy. We'll keep it aside for marination for half an hour. Nicely you have to marinate. Soak rice, basmati rice. Here I have taken two and a half glass of basmati rice which we'll soak for half an hour. Let's begin with the second step. The chicken which we kept for marination, now we are going to use it for roasting. This greeny mixture which you are seeing, this we are going to use it further. We are not using for roasting. We'll take some chicken and roast it. Okay, so here I have kept for roasting. So we are not going to roast it much until it gets little bit brown. So let's begin with the step number 3, making Hariyali chicken gravy. Half cup of oil I have taken. Oil you can take as per your measurement. 2 to 3 tablespoons of butter, 2 slightly cut onions, 2 tablespoons of ginger garlic paste, few cumin seeds, and some spices powder which we made before, right? Cashew paste, 2 tablespoons of red chili powder, Kashmiri red chili, 2 tablespoons of garam masala, fenugreek dried one, black pepper powder. If you have white one, do use it. It gives a good color. Fresh cream. If you have it, use it. Otherwise, you can skip it. 2 tablespoons of coriander powder, bit chaat masala powder and dried mango powder, 2 tablespoons of black salt. So I am adding half cup of oil, three tablespoons of butter, some cumin seeds, 2 slightly cutted onions, ginger garlic paste. Stir it well until it turns brown. Now see, my onions have got brown. At this moment I am going to add the marinated gravy left over which we kept aside, greeny mixture. At this moment I am adding this one. Mix it well along with onion. Adding 2 tablespoons of salt. Spices powder. Black pepper powder. Garam masala, 2 tablespoons of red chili powder, coriander powder, and this chaat masala powder and mango dried powder we are going to use it at last. Okay, we'll add some cashew paste, Until it gets separated from oil, we'll keep it on medium flame. Roasted chicken are ready. So I'm going to mix with gravy. Turn chicken. Mix it well along with the gravy so that it gives a good taste. Now at this moment I'm going to add a fresh cream. Mix it well. As you can see, oil is getting separated. So at this moment I'm adding 2 glasses of water as the gravy is much thick. So as per your consistency you can add water. Okay, I'm adding 2 glasses of water here. For 1 whistle. While preparing gravy, I had kept for boiling for rice. So for making rice, I need some spices. Okay, spices you can take as per your need, as I do not like much in the rice, so I have taken few. Coriander and mint leaves, I have mixed it together. Lemon food color, and 2 tablespoons of oil I am going to add in the water while boiling. Okay, so that rice gets nice separation. Okay, it doesn't get sticky. So I'm going to use 2 tablespoons of oil. Here I'm adding it. Okay, 1, 2. I'm gonna squeeze lemon in this. 1 whole lemon I've taken. After adding 2 tablespoons of oil and lemon, I'm adding cumin seeds here. Okay, spices, some mint leaves and corianders. I'm adding food color, yellow food color. See the color of the water, it looks so nice, right? Yellow color. I just forgot to add bay leaves. It gives a good aroma. My rice are soaked well, so I have added my rice. Okay, stir it well. So my green Hariyali chicken gravy is ready. You can see the texture, green in color. So now at this moment I'm going to squeeze 1 lemon. Some pinch of dried mango and chaat masala powder, which I've kept before, and bit of kasturi methi. Kasturi methi gives a good aroma. You can see the texture. So my rice are cooked well. I'm straining it. Here we go with our rice. You can see how separated they are. I've added some coriander leaves and mint leaves for garnishing, and 1 spoon of rose water and 1 spoon of ghee for the good aroma. So it's ready to serve. So like, share and subscribe. Dilkush Rasoi by Ramiza. Allah Hafiz. Have a good day.